Hello everybody, I'm Reza. Welcome to my YouTube channel Arma Tech. Back in 2021 when the JBL Flip 6 was released, it received such positive reviews that even those who own the Flip 5 were eager to get their hands on the Flip 6. Now, after 4 years, the Flip 7 has arrived to take on the world of small portable Bluetooth speakers. However, this time it faces tough competition. In this video, I'll be unboxing this new device, reviewing its specifications, features, and improvements, and sharing my honest opinion on whether it's worth the $149 price tag. Let's begin with the unboxing to see what JBL has included. But before that dive in, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell button to support me and help this channel grow. Well, let's start the unboxing of this new speaker. I'm really eager to unbox it and see what's inside this package. Let's go for it. Okay, as usual, there is a smaller box inside it. Let's see what's inside this. Okay, this is a clip. It's a detachable clip. The instruction of this speaker. This is the instruction. The warranty. The safety sheet. And this is it. And let's go for the speaker itself. This is the speaker itself. And as you can see, there is a new type of loop instead of that old strap on it. I think I'll have problem with this design. And this is it. It's all that is included in this package. Unfortunately, this time there is no USB cable in this package, which is not really good for this speaker, especially when you understand its new feature. Now let's go and talk about its design. Now let's talk about the design. The first thing you'll notice is the absence of the strap on the speaker. Instead, it features a replaceable loop on the rubber section and a button for releasing it, allowing you to change the loop with the carabiner or vice versa. Personally, I'm not convinced this new design is better, and I used to appreciate having the Flip 6 strap around my wrist, keeping my hands free, especially outdoor. Now you can either attach the speaker to your backpack using this new carabiner or holding it by its small loop around your finger. Now let's change the loop with the carabiner to see how it works. First, I have to press the release button and deattach the loop, and then I have to put this little clip on the place and pressing it in. And this is what you'll have after attaching the carabiner. As I told you, I'm not convinced it's a better design, as you have the JBL Flip 5, and it's not a bad choice if you want something to keep it around your backpack. Another change is the relocation of the power button and the Bluetooth button, and they have been moved to another right section. Near the loop, we find the USB-C port for charging the speaker, which can now also be used for lossless wired connection, a feature I'll discuss later. Additionally, there is a small rubber piece that keeps the speaker stable when you place it horizontally. On the sides, the passive radiators are now covered with thicker and more durable coverings that feature different patterns. Personally, I still prefer covered radiators found on the Sony SRS-XE200 despite the visual appeal of the bouncing radiators, which I think looks really cool. However, JBL claims that this speaker is drop-proof, waterproof, and dust-proof, boasting an IP68 rating, ensuring its durability in rough condition. The buttons on the top of the speaker are arranged in two different rows. There are 3 illuminated buttons within a rubberized section: the Bluetooth button, the power button, and the Auracast button that has replaced the Party Boost button. Additionally, there are 3 more buttons on the speaker: the volume up, volume down, and play and pause button, which you can also use it to skip to the next track by pressing it twice, or return to the previous track by pressing it 3 times. It is also worth mentioning that this speaker's weight has increased by 10 grams, bringing it to a total of 560 grams. Overall, I don't think the design changes in this new version of Flip warrant an upgrade. While it is acceptable, I personally still prefer the strap on the Flip 6, as I could secure it around my wrist and be confident I won't drop it. I would love to hear your thoughts on the design of this new speaker in the comment section below. Now let's explore the features and the specifications. When it comes to specifications, the speaker setup is the most important aspect. Like the Flip 6, the Flip 7 features a racetrack woofer that can produce up to 25 RMS watts, an improvement of 5 RMS watts in power. It also includes a 10-watt tweeter, which remains unchanged, and 2 passive radiators on the sides, making this a mono speaker once again. In total, this speaker can produce up to 35 RMS watts, which is 5 RMS watts more than its predecessor, which was excellent for its time. Additionally, JBL claims that this model is equipped with AI sound boosting technology, which analyzes your music in real time to provide maximum acoustic performance with minimal distortion. The Flip 7 is compatible with the JBL portable application, which offers several preset EQs, including JBL Signature, Chill, Energetic, and Vocal mode. There is also a 7-band customizable EQ that allows you to adjust the sound to your liking, an upgrade from 3-band EQ available on Flip 6. In terms of connectivity, the Flip 7 is equipped with the Bluetooth 5.4. It also supports the Auracast connection protocol, allowing it to connect with other compatible speakers like Go 4, Clip 5, Charge 6, and this Extreme 4, as well as the latest party boxes such as Club 120, Stage 320, and the Ultimate. Unfortunately, Party Boost speakers cannot be connected to it. The JBL portable application facilitates connections to other speakers through the Auracast protocol and allows you to create a stereo pair with two Flip 7 speakers. The Auracast button on the top of the speaker also can do both for you. An innovative feature in terms of connectivity is the ability to use the USB-C port on the back of the speaker for a lossless wired connection. However, you'll need to use services like Tidal or Cubase and a high quality USB-C cable that supports lossless audio, which is not included in the package. Personally, I think this option is a bit excessive for a mono speaker. Regarding the battery life, JBL claims that the Flip 7 can last up to 14 hours, which is 2 hours longer than its predecessor. This estimate, however, is based on the moderate listening volume, around 50%. The application also allows you to add another 2 hours to this playtime by reducing the bass when you activate the party time boost. However, I don't recommend using this feature since it reduces the bass significantly and you won't enjoy your music when you activate it unless you are listening to a podcast which is just vocal and you really don't need the bass on the music. Now we reached the best part of this video and now we can listen to this little cute speaker through a binaural recording for a nearly real listening experience for you through the YouTube. Now let's go and listen to it.
Artlist.io. Artlist.io.
Look, back and I'm better than ever. I think I got a vendetta. Oh, now they call me, I seen them. All of those times getting severed. I told them all I get let up. They ain't not taught to be never. Give me a shot and I swear I shoot like Berettas. Yeah. They getting nervous, I see
Music
it.
licensing reimagined.
They say they want it, I need it. Damn, I'm going dumb like I dropped out of class. Get in my lane and I'm going right past. I turn it up, watch me go to the max. You ain't at first and you know that you last. I thought I told them I'm coming right back. I got a flows like it came from the tap and I came from my city, that's right on my back.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Dime qué es lo que pasa, quédate pa' mi casa, yo te espero sin nada. Dime qué es lo que pasa, siéntame contigo, papi, perder el control contigo, papi. Dime, yo te digo, papi, ay papi, ay papi. Ay papi, ay papi.
Artlist.io.
Look, back and I'm better than ever. I think I got a vendetta. Oh, now they call me, I seen them. All of those times getting severed. I told them all I can let up. They ain't not taught to me never. Give me a shot and I swear I shoot like Berettas. Yeah, yeah. They getting nervous, I see
Music
it. What I see,
licensing reimagined.
They say they want it, I need it. Damn. I'm going dumb like I dropped out of class. Get in my lane and I'm going right past. I turn it up, watch me go to the max. You ain't at first and you know that you last. I thought I told him I'm coming right back. I got a flows like it came from the tap and I came from my city, that's right on my back. Oof.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
What do you think of its sounds? Did you like it? Let me know in the comments below. In my humble opinion, the JBL Flip 7 undoubtedly sounds louder and more powerful than its predecessor. You can feel this across all frequency ranges, particularly in the bass section. While the difference is not night and day, it's noticeable. If you are a bass head, you'll love it. The bass reproduction in this size is exceptional and even outshines its previous version, which was already impressive at the time of its release. Additionally, if you're not a fan of JBL's signature sound, you can customize your own equalizer settings. In conclusion, I believe that despite its higher price, the JBL Flip 7 is an excellent choice as your go-to portable speaker. However, the improvements may not be revolutionary enough to justify an upgrade if you already own the Flip 6, so it's worth considering your expectations for the new version. To assist with your decision, I'll be doing direct comparison between these two speakers in my upcoming videos. So be sure to subscribe to this channel and click the bell button to stay up to date. All in all, I highly recommend the Flip 7 as a new speaker for you, especially if you don't already own the JBL Flip 6. I hope you enjoyed this video. Take care and goodbye.